They copied this from the past, and you had no idea. There is a fact most Forex traders never hear. The Forex market you trade today was not designed in the 21st century. Its core mechanics were built over 100 years ago. Long before MetaTrader. Long before retail brokers. Long before you ever placed your first trade. The same structures. The same manipulation logic. The same winners. The same losers. Only the tools changed. And today, institutions are still copying methods from the past, while retail traders are trained to ignore history. Welcome to Rise from Zero. Thank you to every new viewer discovering this channel. Thank you to our returning subscribers who understand that truth is more valuable than hype. And thank you for choosing to spend your time learning how the financial market really works. This video is not short. And it is not light. But if you stay until the end, you will understand Forex at a level most traders never reach. If you value truth over illusion, subscribe to Rise from Zero. This channel exists to expose how the markets actually work, not to sell dreams. Stay focused. Stay until the end. Because everything connects. This video reveals a single truth. Modern Forex trading is a direct copy of historical financial control systems. Banks did not invent new strategies. They refined old ones. Liquidity. Market psychology. Stop-loss hunting. Price manipulation. These concepts existed before electronic markets. Why does this matter? Because if you don't understand where the market came from, you will never understand where the price is going. At Rise from Zero, we don't simplify the truth. We don't hide complexity. And we never sell false certainty. This video is for traders who are tired of losing, for investors who feel something is hidden, and for anyone who suspects the market is not random. Now let's begin where institutions began. 1. The origin of market control. 1900 to 1930. Before Forex existed, there was an interbank currency exchange. Banks traded currencies to settle international trade. Price was negotiated, not charted. But even then, one rule existed: price moved to where the most orders were sitting. During the early 1900s, large banks dominated currency flows as smaller players followed price. Not controlled it. Information asymmetry decided winners. This is not a theory. It is documented. Early banking records from London and New York. The strong hand always needed liquidity from the weak hand. That principle never changed. The market was always designed for capital transfer, not fairness. Thank you to our new subscribers. Thank you to our loyal audience. Stay with us. 2. How liquidity became the real target. Institutions do not chase indicators. They chase orders. Liquidity is simply stop losses, pending orders. Emotional and trilateral traders are taught to predict price. Institutions engineer price. Historical example: during the 1929 stock market era, banks moved price to trigger margin calls, then reversed. Same logic today. Forex charts look different, but the behavior is identical. Price moves where money is vulnerable. Liquidity is not a concept. It is the fuel of the market. Thank you for staying focused. Keep watching. 3. Why retail education was designed to fail. Retail trading education exploded in the 1990s. Indicators. Patterns. Signals. Why? Because indicators lag in price. They keep traders reactive. Banks need traders to enter late, place predictable stops, exit emotional. Retail strategies were never meant to beat institutions. They were meant to feed them. This is not my opinion. It is confirmed by broker order flow models. If everyone learns the same strategy, someone is feeding someone else. Thank you to every subscriber who questions narratives. For how modern Forex copied old manipulation models. Wyckoff method. Accumulation, distribution, created over 100 years ago, still active today. Price accumulates. Liquidity expands violently, reverses at maximum. Institutions didn't abandon this model. They digitized it. Forex sessions exist for a reason. London, New York. These sessions overlap liquidity windows. Nothing is accidental. Modern Forex is historical manipulation with faster execution. Thank you for staying until now. The deeper truth is coming, if this video is giving you clarity. I like the video and subscribe to Rise from Zero. This is where serious traders grow. 5. Why most traders never see consistent. Retail traders focus on entries. Institutions focus on risk extraction. Banks don't need accuracy, they need volume. That's why price spikes before news, price reverses after retail confirmation, trends start. Where retail gives up, losses are not random. They are engineered through psychology. Your emotions are part of the market structure. Thank you to our global audience watching right now. 6. The truth about news and economic data. News does not move prices. Positioning moves price. Banks already know the data. Price moves to relevance exposure. This is why bad news rallies, a good news crash. Just be the time you react. The move is already complete. Stay with us. 7. What smart money actually watches. Institutions watch session highs and lows, liquidity pools, order imbalances, time-based manipulation. They do not chase trades, they build traps. Retail traders provide the exit liquidity. This is the ecosystem. The market is not against you personally, it simply rewards understanding. Thank you for staying until the final section. 8. The future. Why 2026 will change everything. By 2026, more retail traders will fail. AI will increase execution speed. Liquidity extraction will become more aggressively. Traders who understand structure will survive. This channel exists for that reason. The future belongs to informed traders, not hopeful ones. Today you learned something most traders never accept. The Forex market did not evolve randomly. It was copied from the past. Institutions didn't innovate manipulation. They perfected it. But knowledge changes everything. If you understand liquidity, you stop blaming luck. If you understand structure, you stop chasing signals. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you to every subscriber who believes in truth over illusion. Subscribe to Rise from Zero. This channel is not about hype. It is about clarity, discipline, and financial reality. At Rise from Zero, we don't chase illusions, we chase truth, results, and financial independence. The next generation of traders will not be louder. They will be smarter. Stay with us, study the past, understand the present, and prepare for 2026, because the market is becoming faster, colder, and more unforgiving, but also more predictable to those who truly understand it. This is Rise from Zero.